Hey, I'm Mike O'Dowd with USCCA, and today I'm going to go over a couple different tips and drills that are going to help make your draw from concealed carry a little bit more reliable. So let me walk you through the draw process that I like to practice. My first practice drills for the day are always going to be, one shot out of the gate, just see how my draw goes. First, I work with my hands up, kind of in this defensive posture, like, hey, I surrender, I give up, and I grab, right? I grab as much of the cloth as I can, and I yank it up, okay? Now, if you have a different garment, let's say you have a button down, you're gonna have to go across and grab. I rarely wear button downs, right? I'm not a formal guy. If you are, that's gonna be the way you wanna train, but I always have shirts on or something athletic, so I just grab from the chest and I pull. And I don't just pull a little bit, I pull all the way over my shoulder, trying to rip it up, which is gonna clear that line so my gun is nice and accessible. Simultaneously, as I do this, my hand is coming down or my hand is coming across wherever that other hand is. And I wanna break my drawdown in 4 steps. I find the gun where I just touch the handle. I grab the gun. And now let me talk about that real quick. When I grab the gun, a lot of me won't be able to grab our thumbs underneath because they're pressed against our bodies. So what I do is I find the gun. When I grab the gun, I actually grab the iron sights on the top. I grab the rear sights. So I grab the gun like this. I grab the rear sights. That's not a problem. As you come up, your thumb will just drop over the side and fall into place. It actually helps a lot of people from bringing their thumb in too early. Find the gun, grab the gun, rip the gun up to the sight line or to the shooting position and hit my touch point. This is what I was talking about earlier. My touch point is where my hands meet and I open up at that trigger guard and I hit the touch point and my grip falls back into place. When I do those 4 things, I can practice them sequentially. I can practice them individually over and over and over, and that's something you want to do to get great muscle memory. Find the gun, grab the gun, rip it up to the touch point, and push out and shoot.